Good day everyone! I am Ana Rose G. Valila and this is a video lesson on media and information literacy subject. On this video, I will discuss the lesson 1 which is the communication, media, and information. So by the end of this video, you must be able to define the key concepts such as media, information, technology literacy, and media and information literacies. Next is, describe how media and information affects the communication. And the last one is, write an essay about the essence of being a media and information literate individual. But before that, you need to get a scratch paper for this activity. You only have 5 seconds to finish this task, and I want you to list down all the media that are present in your daily life. Since you are done with the task, I want you to answer these questions. Number 1. What are the key roles and functions that each of these media perform? Number 2. What knowledge, skills, and attitudes are necessary? And last one is, why do you think a person has to be literate when it comes to using the media and other information providers? Thank you for answering all these questions. Now, I want you to think back then. How do you get information if the media doesn't exist? So, I have here a clue and I will give you some time to think what is the answer. Very good. The answer is communication. So, now let's identify what is the meaning of communication. According to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, communication is the act or process of using words, sounds, signs, or behaviors to express or exchange information or to express your ideas, thoughts, feelings to someone else. While according to Cambridge Dictionary, communication is the exchange of information and the expression of feeling that can result in understanding. Or we can say that we use communication in order to express ourselves and in order to get information from other people. There are a lot of communication model, but I will just discuss Laswell's communication model. Laswell's communication model is consist of 5 parts. The first one is the communicator. When we say communicator, it is the who of this model, which means it is the one who sends or formulates the message. Next is message. When we say message, it is the content or the things that the communicator wanted to say. The third one is the medium. When we say medium, it is the which of this model. It means it is the channel how the message is conveyed. Or it can be a tool such as social media and mass media. The fourth one is the receiver, or who is the one who will receive the message from the communicator. Then the fifth one is the effect, or what is the result of this communication. So I have here an example based on a real world context. So let's say for example that the communicator is the musician, and then the message is the lyrics of the song that he or she composed, while the medium is the social media. Let's say for example that he or she uploads her music video on Facebook. So Facebook will be our medium and the message is the lyrics. Then the receiver are the viewers. So let's say for example we see her video and then therefore we are the receiver. Then next is the effect. So what is the effect? So the message of the song can influence us. Since we already know the meaning of communication, let us discuss media and information literacy. As what you have observed, it consists of 3 function words such as media, information, and literacy. The first term that I will discuss is media. When we say media, it is the physical objects used to communicate with or mass communication through physical objects such as radio, television, computers, film, and etc. It also refers to any physical object used to communicate messages. So, in other words, when we say media, it is any object or device that can be used to communicate. So, let's say for example, an Android phone. So, through Android phone, we can message someone who is far away from us. Information, a broad term that covers processed data, knowledge derived from study, experience, instruction, signals, or symbols. So in other words, when we say information, it is anything that depicts meaning. Let's say for example, I ask what is your favorite food. Then you mentioned about adobo. Therefore, I already have an information about you. Literacy, the ability to identify, understand, interpret, create, communicate, and compute using printed and written materials, associated with varying contexts. The traditional meaning of literacy is the ability to read and write. But nowadays, when we say literacy, it is the ability to use the numbers, language, symbols, and images, and other form of context in order to communicate and gain knowledge. Media literacy, the ability to access, analyze, evaluate, and create media in a variety of forms. It aims to empower citizens by providing them with competencies, knowledge, and skills necessary to engage with traditional media and new technologies. Therefore, when we say media literacy, it is the ability to evaluate if a particular information is true or not from any forms of media. Information literacy, the ability to recognize when information is needed and to locate, evaluate, and effectively communicate information in its various formats. Every day, we receive a lot of information, and as a information literate individual, we need to segregate when these information are needed or when it is not needed. Aside from that, as a information literate individual, you can also share the information that you know. Technology literacy, the ability of an individual, either working independently or with others, to responsibly, appropriately, and effectively use technological tools. Using these tools, an individual can access, manage, integrate, evaluate, create, and communicate information. So when we say technology literacy, it is our ability to use technological tools in order to communicate information in a responsible and appropriate way. Media and information literacy, the essential skills and competencies that allow individuals to engage with media and other information providers effectively as well as develop critical thinking. Media and information literacy is a skill that allows us to engage with media properly since there are lots of fake information spreading around the internet. Aside from that, since you are a media and information literate individual, you can also disseminate the true information with other people. Since I am done discussing the key concepts on media and information literacy subject, now I have some questions. The first one is, what is communication? Since we are done with the discussion, I want you to go with your group mates and formulate your own definition of the terms that was assigned to you. Synthesize the activity by listing misconceptions on a cartolina. So for Group 1, Technology Literacy, Group 2, Media Literacy, Group 3, Information Literacy, and Group 4, Media and Information Literacy. You only have 10 minutes to finish this task. Get a one whole sheet of paper and write an essay about the essence of being a media and information literate individual.